Definitely prefer this version over the first attempt. To handle heat, I printed it in polycarbonate filament, which can hopefully withstand our summer temperatures. If I ever revise this project, I'll reprint it in carbon fiber-infused filament, which has a nice matte finish that looks closer to OEM parts. Polycarbonate was the only one I had at home at the moment of making it, so I just went with it. The part looked even better in black, even if it's glossier than I'd like. I pre-installed the Polarizer filter before the final assembly since it might be harder to add later.